Hello guys, welcome to another video. So obviously you can tell by the title, this is the April's Glossy box. So you can either get the flower one or the floral one. So I'm just going to, I have the fruit one. So this, I've opened obviously this, but this is what it looks like, the back looks like, and it says you're one in a melon. So I'm just going to open the box, and it comes in this lovely ribbon, and it says fruity or floral. Hey Glossies, we're celebrating the spring this month with our vibrant fruit or floral additions. You may receive one of the two special designs bursting with fruit inspired formulas and blooming florally fragrances. And it just basically says what you've got in it, and it just says what May's is going to be. It's now I am looking forward to May's as well. That's the inside as well of the box. And it comes with the pattern on the tissue. Ooh. It comes with some crinkly bits. Crinkly bits. And so first of all, I have the Original Source Hydrating Water Infusions, and it's this one, and it looks like an apple. Oh yes. Oh dear. That's just the liquid that comes out. But the Original Source has loads of body washes, and the tingly mint one is where you put it in places and it feels like you're burning, but you're not, it's just because you're clean. So I do like that. Is a nice addition to the Glossy box. And so the second one is the Hair Flick Hair Vitamins, and it's a vegan food supplement, blue raspberry flavoured 1 week travel pack. Don't know if you can see, they just come in like little gummy things. Worth a try, right? And then the Jean Arthès Paris. It's a perfume. Oh yes, that actually smells gorgeous. If you've got a handbag, I suggest you put that in a handbag to make it smell nice, so you don't have to carry around your favourite designer fragrance. And this is, what millage is this? 30 mils. And that is Lush. And I have the Pomegranate Superfood Regenerating Sleeping Mask. I can't say that second name. I look like an idiot if I say that. But yeah, that's a sleeping mask. The Palmer's Natural Fusion and Charseed Argan Oil Hair Mask. This was an extra included in the box this month. Very happy with that. And then this is the Dr. Paw for lips, cheeks and cosmetic finishes with a hint of obviously this colour. This actually reminds me of the MAC Candy Yum Yum, so I think I might be using that. It's fragrance free, cruelty free and vegan. And you see the bunny on, I don't think you can see the bunny. Can you see the bunny? Have you guys? I'll go back to the bunny, 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 bunny. Ah. So yeah, guys, and that's just the lovely wiggly worms that you get inside of there. Now, Maze does actually look very, very interesting. So I am looking forward to that one. And I am looking forward to showing you the next Glossy box. So I would like to thank you all for watching. Sorry it's been quick, but I just wanted to get through it. And I just wanted to say thank you for all the subscribers that have stayed with me and like supporting me, really. If you could like, share and comment on this video, just share this video on your social media, your Twitter, your Instagram, and if you're interested in adding me, the end of this video will be my social media. So I will see you guys later, and thank you for watching.